Welcome! In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages we should have a Do Not Disturb toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional page where it looks like the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can hold it first time around, which will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can customize how the mode will function. Now, going over a couple of the options here, we have things like schedule, in which you can set up a fully automatic schedule which will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and start and end time. Then going back, we have contacts, which will allow you to select who can call you or message you. You can also add applications to be excluded by the mode. And then ring for repeated callers, so if you select that, whatever you have chosen under contacts will be bypassed by this option right here, assuming someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period. And lastly, we have the silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So anyway, once everything is set, you can close this, and whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and that's it. It gives you a pop-up right here and also this icon to show you that it is right now running in the background. Now once you're done with the mode, you can then turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.